Hello everyone. Welcome to the English reading video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am 20 years old. I live in London with my family. London is a big and beautiful city. There are many shops, buses, cars, and people. Sometimes the city is noisy, but I like it because it is full of life. Every day, I follow a simple daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I open my eyes slowly and look outside the window. Sometimes it is sunny and sometimes it is rainy. I make my bed after I wake up because I like a clean room. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I also comb my hair and sometimes wash it. I feel fresh and ready for the day. After that, I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast with my family. I usually eat bread, eggs, cheese, and fruit. I drink milk, orange juice, or tea. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. Breakfast is my favourite meal because it gives me energy. I never skip breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I go to school. My school is not very far from my home. Sometimes I walk and sometimes I take the bus. At school, I study many subjects. I study English, math, science, history, and art. My favourite subject is English because I want to speak it well. I also like art because I enjoy drawing. My teachers are kind and helpful. My friends are nice and funny. During breaks, we talk, play, and sometimes eat snacks together. I usually come home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. When I arrive home, I wash my hands and eat a small snack. Sometimes it is fruit like apples or bananas. Sometimes it is a sandwich or a cookie. After that, I play with my dog. His name is Max. He is small, cute, and very friendly. He likes to run and play with a ball. I often take him to the park. He enjoys walking, and I enjoy spending time with him. In the afternoon, I also do my homework. I sit at my desk, read my books, and write in my notebook. I sometimes use the computer for schoolwork. When I finish my homework, I usually listen to music or read a storybook. I like stories because they are interesting and sometimes funny. I also like to draw pictures in my notebook. At 6 o'clock, I eat dinner with my family. We sit together at the table and eat. We usually eat soup, rice, vegetables, or chicken. Sometimes we eat fish or pasta. I like dinner because we talk and laugh together. It is family time and it makes me happy. After dinner, I watch TV for 1 hour. I like cartoons, movies, and sometimes news. I also use my phone to talk with my friends. Sometimes I play computer games or watch videos online. In the evening, I also help my mother a little. I clean the table or wash the dishes. At 9 o'clock, I take a shower. I feel clean and relaxed after the shower. I wear my pajamas and brush my teeth again. Then I prepare my school bag for the next day. I put my books, notebooks, and pens in the bag. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. Before I sleep, I sometimes read a book or write in my diary. I think about my day and plan for tomorrow. Then I close my eyes and sleep. I usually sleep well and wake up with energy. I like my daily routine because it is simple, healthy, and happy. It helps me study, play, and spend time with my family and my dog. Every day is almost the same, but I enjoy it because it makes my life easy and organized.